monthly, everybody. Really excited to get you guys all inspired to perspire today. Today we're going to be doing higher calling. It's a higher calling workout. What is your higher calling? Let's get real. First of all, to all my members, congratulations. If you're not a member, join today at jnlvip.com. And if you do anything today, share out this video. Sharing is caring, okay? Let's do this. You know, guys, it's going to be, no, it's not even going to be, it is. Who's getting bikini magazines already in the mail? Hello? It's going so fast. Today we're going to be talking about higher calling, but first, a couple announcements. We're doing the skinny jean challenge right here. We're going to be going live with the skinny jean challenge in February. You don't want to miss this. We're going to slim down for spring and shred up for summer, okay? And guess what? This is not a rehearsal. This is action. Lights, camera, action, go. And I lied. Remember Saturday when I said, oh, we live to be about 75? To take your age and subtract it, so I'm 45, gonna be 45, and I'm like, okay, well, guess what? Look at Kobe Bryant, 41 years young. His daughter, 13. Okay, so I lied. Please forgive me. How could I even assume that we all get the advantage to live to be 75? You can have all the millions in the bank, honey. You can have all the fame in the world. Let me tell you what, when your time is up, your time is up. God bless that family right now. I could not even imagine the pain she's going through. So, before I start shedding a tear, hug your loved ones a little bit more. Hug yourself a little bit more. Hug your children a little bit more. I know I hugged up to my husband a little bit more, my sons. Just calling them at college and hugging them this morning. So, remember, make today count. All right, so, do you believe this already? Look, January is going to be done. We have two workouts left after today of January. Guys, time to monthly. Time to get into that monthly. This is February. February's going to be lit, okay? If your February looks like this, that's not good. You're having dates with the devil. You know why? When your pipeline isn't full of positivity, with workouts and group coaching and support, you're really just saying, let me just have a date with the devil. Depression, anxiety, stress, worry, doubt. I want your pipeline to be so full you don't have time to work out. You're going to be able to measure your success. You're going to have so many goals, you're not going to need an alarm clock. Your goals are your alarm clock, okay? When was the last time you were really excited about life? Do you wake up feeling like scared and worried? No, stop walking with fear. Stop working in faith. Speaking of, today's workout is higher calling. What is your higher calling? Why are you here on earth? Why? Before your time is too late, you better get to going on what you came here for. What is your higher calling? What is it? What is it? See, I like to evoke these emotions out of you. My higher calling is to motivate people, to get them out of their self-inflicted silent suffering. Stop making choices that are harming you. Stop making unwise choices. That's why many feel lost. You know, I've been a life coach for close to 20 years. The number one thing I hear a lot of is, I lost myself. I lost myself. I'm like, no, you haven't. You're right there. I'm talking to you. I see you. You're not lost. Your feet are on the floor. You're right here in front of me. I can tell everyone where you are. But they feel lost inside. You get what I'm saying? It's a phenomenon. I feel lost. When you make bad choices, this leads to emotional instability where you don't feel good, right? So right now, there's a deeper purpose to what you're building. What are you building? Every day you're building something. Are you building a house out of fear or out of faith? Out of sickness or out of health? Okay, give me a comment below. Let's break this algorithm. I'm fired up today, guys. Don't you ever say the N-word. Don't you say the N-word. The N-word of need. You see, when you say, I need to do this, I need to do that, you're already saying I'm not going to do it, but I should do it, but I really don't want to do it because I'm scared. Don't you use that N-word. You need nothing. It's inside you. You get up, you dress up, and you do it. Then you're not going to need it because you're doing it. Okay? I need to work out. No, you don't need to work out. You're going to work out. I need to eat clean. No, you don't need to eat clean because you're doing it. Take the fork. Instead of eating that crap, that mashed potatoes and gravy, that spaghetti, put it in a healthy salad. There's a choice. Are you digging your grave with your fork, or are you digging yourself higher up in your vibration, okay? How do you know if you're living your life in your higher calling? That's a great question. I'm going to tell you. You need to not betray yourself. When you're not living your higher calling, you're betraying yourself. You're not put into a position to negotiate. You're negotiating your sense of integrity. When you have to really compromise your integrity, you are not living in your higher calling, okay? You don't have to compromise. You see yourself as you want to be. This is the JOLT of JNL rule in my handbook. Hold on, in the handbook. In the handbook, this is a rule. You ready? Imaginal acts become facts. So if you keep on imagining yourself as failing, you're going to fail. Imaginal acts become facts. If you imagine yourself being prosperous, healthy, happy, those are going to be facts. They're going to show up in your life. So use the power of visualization. Imagine it. Imaginal acts. All right, I'm working out, eating clean. I see it. I'm doing it. All right, let me write it down. Let me get going. They're going to become facts. The power of visualization is free. It works. That's going to help you on your higher calling to get on that higher upward spiral. You have to have more respect for yourself. Sadly enough, you might feel lost because you don't have respect for yourself. I'm here to pull it out of you. As your coach, I'm here to pull it out of you like a magician pulls a rabbit out of a hat. So, right now, people have lost their power. That's when they know they're not living their higher calling. You know you're not living in your higher calling when it's costing your power, costing even your psyche. You're disconnected. Your sixth sense is actually your strongest sense out of all 5 senses, right? So you have 5 senses: sight, hearing, smelling, all that, feeling, touch. Did you know your sixth sense is your strongest sense? That's the one that should umbrella all of those. I'm getting chills. And this is not no woo-woo, wah-wah, Miss Cleo, come call me now crap. This is real talk. Your sixth sense should be your strongest sense, but somehow we get disconnected. I'm here to help you connect again. Listen, if you feel like you've lost yourself, then you don't know what your higher calling is, or you're not living, you're betraying yourself. Now there's betrayal and then there's compromise. A lot of time in situations, in work, in marriages, in relationships, you gotta compromise where you're like, I'm willing to have you do a little of that and a little of this, and if you give me this and you give me a kickback, it's like an agreement, right? You're cool with that. You agree to it. That's a compromise. We all have to compromise in life, right? But there's a betrayal when you're living lower than what you're supposed to be, okay? Compromise is when you're willing and out of love to allow this to happen in your life because you love someone or it's an okay situation you can deal with. But if you're feeling tired, drained, exhausted, just a dark cloud over you, then you're not living in your higher calling. You're betraying yourself. You're not being true to yourself. You're lying to yourself. You're cheating yourself. You're not being your best friend. So this is really, 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 really important. Right now, look, I work hard. We all work hard, right? And I'm going to end it in this. Here we go. Woo! I love a good day's work. I love a hard workout that knocks my wig off. I love to go to bed feeling, I really kicked butt today. I just really, every ounce of my being, I exhausted because God gave me another day and I used it. That's a good type of tired. But if you're feeling drained, like always exhausted every day, then you know you're not living in your higher calling. If you need a coach that cares to help you, let me do that. I'm here for you. I've done it for so many women, and I love to see the magic and miracles. So we're going to be talking about that in this week's Jolt this Friday, the last day of January. It's the last week of January, guys. Let's get it kicked in the 6th gear. Let's raise our higher calling energy, raise our vibration. We're going to be working the abs, the butt, the arms, everything today. Most importantly, your mental well-being. In closing, I want to say thank you to Tammy for this, best coach ever. She gave me this. I love this. I want to be the best coach ever. You know, when I go to see my doctor, my OBGYN, the number 2 questions they ask me are, do you smoke and drink alcohol? And I said, wow, those are very important questions. Why are they asking me that first thing? That was the first thing. Do you smoke or drink alcohol? And I said, no. So right now, let's clean everything, guys. Get rid of everything. Let's get all the chemicals all of it. I need you to be totally clean so you can be sober of mind, body, and spirit, so you can connect with your higher calling. So when you go into your meditation and you go into your workout, because this is a really active meditation, you're going to receive downloads and you're going to know what your higher calling is. Okay? So this is so much more than just jumping around aerobics, jumping jacks. Let them do that boring crap. I'm here to evoke the best out of you. Join today if you're not a member. JNLVIP.com. Isn't it the time you walked into your higher calling and stopped betraying yourself? Let's do this. 8 a.m. with higher calling. I'm so jolted. Well, look what's here trying to get a jolt. Get out of here. Love you guys. Woo! Kat, Susan. Yes. Love you, Sally, Brooke. Love you, love you.